Welcome to our channel. Ultimate Netgear Genie Setup Guide 2025 works with all Netgear routers. Plug everything in. Modem to router's internet port, that's the yellow one. Then, either connect your PC, laptop to one of the LAN ports on the router or hop on the default Wi-Fi name. You'll find that on the sticker underneath. Fire it up. Give it like a minute. The router lights should blink, then settle. If the internet light doesn't go solid after a bit, don't panic yet. Launch Netgear Genie. Open your browser. Type www.routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. Hit enter. If it doesn't load, check your connection. Yeah, I know. Obvious. Still happens. Log in. Default login. Username, admin. Password. Let Genie do its thing. Netgear Genie should auto-detect your internet connection. You'll see some status bars or a spinning icon while it checks your setup. Let it finish. If it fails, click Try again. Sometimes it just needs a reboot. Create your Wi-Fi. Set your network name, SSID, and password. Make it something short and unique, not Netgear 123. Choose WPA2 if it asks for security type. It's still the standard. Save and reboot. Once Genie confirms your settings, it'll ask to reboot. Click OK or Apply. Wait again. Router will restart, lights will blink, then stabilize. Reconnect. Your old Wi-Fi name won't work anymore, you just changed it. Connect to your new SSID using the password you set. Check internet. Open a random website, something like reddit.com or speedtest.net. If it loads, you're good. If not, unplug both router and modem. Wait 30 seconds. Plug modem first, then router. Works 90% of the time. Thank you for watching.